for southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Echo Lake to Bangor, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations in Texas include Newton, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Blairstown, Bangor, Franklin, Penn Argyll, Hamburg, Belvidere, Oxford, Hope, East Bangor, Branchville, Andover, Wary Lake, Greenville, Millbrook, Delaware Water Gap, Crandon Lakes, and Great Meadows, Vienna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 312 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Monroe and Northampton.